Hey everyone, so in case you are just tired of Tinder or Badoo or Hinge or Bumble, so all these standard dating apps which try to make it different every time, but in fact it's not that different. You just like swiping right or left, or maybe there is more information there is left, but the vibe is all the same in this many apps. Here is a nice alternative which is called Feels app, and yeah, it's a new like fresh vibe in dating apps, so definitely try it out. I just did a quick overview how to create an account, how to use it, what it looks like, what are the main settings, and all of that. So yeah, let's just explore it together, and who knows, maybe you discover your best part exactly on this app, or maybe you just delete Tinder. Or yeah, so just super interesting to see your thoughts, like whether this app will become like the next big thing, or it's just one of those dating apps that will just disappear. Anyways, let's just dive into the review. So this is the Feels app. It's a new trending dating app which claims to just get you good vibes. And if you're bored or stressed, even with Tinder and Hinge, Bumble, some like well-known standard kind of dating apps, this can be a good refreshment. And yeah, I just tried this app. Really feels nice. It has something different to the kind of online dating experience. So here you can see some description. But anyways, let's just dive into the app. Here is the app. It takes some time to create a profile here, so you're being asked a few questions, and then you need to upload like I think 5+ photos and videos, and answer questions, create another question. So all of that. So that's just you need to have this kind of interesting profile with different photos, videos, quotes. Uh, yeah, so for example, if yeah, you can also just share some wingmates, like some questions on Snapchat, same as on YOLO, or like let me know app, so something like that. So you can then just edit your, for example, here's your photo. You can add your caption, you can crop it, whatever. You just add in just like a test captions. You can add locations. Yeah, so just making it more interactive. Then add an activity. Whatever. And then you can just view your profile. So you will see these cool animation effects. And then there are all these different questions which you fill in so when you create your profile. Hey guys. And then you have all these questions. So yeah, and then you can just swipe up. So that's your profile. And then here is your discovery feed, basically. So this is how it looks like. You have all these people. Of course, you can select filters you want to match with women. And then, yeah, you just have like a dating app. And then you can just react, for example, like that. So you have 3 emojis in the right sidebar, and you can just send them to the picture, and then you send that reaction. So this reaction, I think that's basically what is named Feels. So basically, if you like some photo or some question, you can just send that reaction, and then you can just tap on the app here. And when you're tapping, you're kind of swiping through different photos and different answers, different questions, and then you can go to other profile and stuff like that. So this is basically the idea, and you can see like the experience of this app is really something different. So you just, yeah, it feels nicer actually than Tinder, because it has some like cool questions and yeah, some interesting nice photos, and this all photo effects. In the top right, you can tap on three dots, and then you can just tap share to share the profile. You can report or you can block it. So this is just like a standard features for any social app. So yeah, and then you can go to messages. You can see all the messages you received. So if other people sent you a message or reacted, you will see it here. If you don't have like any of those, maybe you can consider just boosting your profile. So this is how you can do it. So yeah, this is the paid version of the app. So you can do like 1 week for like $10 or something, or 1 month for like $20 plus. And then you can discover all the messages sent to you, because in the free version probably there's only limited number of messages you can discover. You can rewind, similar as in Tinder. You can change your story, send as many fields as you want every day, visibility boost, discover who recently saw your profile, and all of that. And then you can just subscribe here by tapping the button via the App Store. So it's a standard thing. Then you have all your discussions again. So this is kind of your messaging tab, where you can just message and communicate. And yeah, so there you have it. That's how it works. And then to add additional fields, you can just send all this like standard emojis, and then you will have additional fields to go to. Yeah, so there you have it. So super simple interface, really nice. Then you can see who saw your profile during the last 24 hours. Then you have settings. And then here you have select your search filters, similar as on many other dating apps. So you can select who you want to discover, age range, discovery area, world, or like 100 to 20 kilometers, push notifications, terms of service, yeah. And then you can hide your profile. Your profile will not be shown anymore, and you won't be able to see any other profiles. But you still will be able to access discussions. Then you can disconnect. Disconnect basically means that you can log out from here, and you can also just delete your account. And if you tap confirm button in the bottom, it means that your account will be deactivated, and it will be reactivated automatically if you just log in back to this app within 30 days. If you don't log in within 30 days, your personal data will be deleted permanently. So there you have it. By the way, you can instantly create an account with Snapchat, with Facebook, with Google, I think. Yeah, so like standard number of apps where you can easily create your account. So that's cool. Yeah, again, you can edit your profile here, but be careful, you can't edit your name. So the first time you enter your name in this Fields app, you won't be available to edit yeah, more times. So yeah, it has all these like cool questions where you can just, yeah, something like that. So yeah, you can see all of that, and then you can just select and then just enter the answer, which has a limit like 150 characters. And yeah, it will be shown on your profile. So that's the app basically. You can of course always send them feedbacks, maybe if you have some additional questions or stuff like that. So yeah, I just started using the app. So far, like it feels
Well, first of all,
this app feels pretty nice. Super cool design, easy to use, and it's definitely different experience than Tinder or something like that. So definitely try it out. Probably the one downside is that there aren't that many people yet on this app. So because it's new, and if you're looking in some small area, like small city, with like 20-kilometer radius, probably you won't be able to find many people. because it's just a new app. There aren't that many users, I guess. But aren't that just create a free account, play with it, and leave your comments below. Like, what do you think about this app? Will it be huge? Will it overtake Tinder, or is just another app which has some kind of like hype moment and then will slowly become unpopular? Or will it become one of major dating apps? What do you think, guys? So yeah, like this video so more people can enjoy and try out this app. If you want to, you can subscribe to my channel. I often create overviews of cool apps. Yeah, also check out my podcast, Mr. Hackio. Just search for Mr. Hackio on Spotify or Apple Podcasts. Anyway, see you in the next videos, and thanks so much for watching.